In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zelle to Chime. By the end, you'll have Zelle set up with your Chime Visa debit card so you can send and receive money quickly and securely. First, download the official Zelle app from your phone's app store and open it. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started. Zelle will ask for a mobile phone number or an email address. Enter the one you use regularly, since this is where Zelle will send important verification codes and payment notifications. Next, you'll be prompted to select your bank. In the search bar, type Chime. If you see Chime in the list of participating financial institutions, tap it to continue. If Chime doesn't appear, don't worry, you can still use Zelle. Choose the option to enroll with your debit card manually and proceed that way. Now, enter your Chime Visa debit card details. You'll type in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV security code. Double check for typos so the card links correctly. When you're done, tap Continue or Save to move forward. Zelle will send a verification code to the phone number or email address you provided. Retrieve that code and enter it in the app. After that, follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your identity. This step helps protect your account and may include confirming personal details. Make sure the contact information you're using for Zelle matches what's on your Chime account. If it doesn't match, update your Chime contact info first so payments route to the right place. Once everything checks out, wait for the confirmation message indicating that your Chime debit card has been successfully linked to Zelle. This may take a moment. When you see that confirmation, you're all set. From here, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle using your Chime account. Choose a trusted contact by their mobile number or email, enter the amount, review the details carefully, and send. Keep in mind you must have an active Chime Visa debit card for this to work, and only share your payment information with people you know and trust. If at any point Chime doesn't appear in the bank list, remember that enrolling with your debit card manually is the correct path. And if verification codes aren't arriving, check your spam or blocked messages or confirm you entered the correct contact. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.